Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, we are going to talk about how to start dropshipping home security cameras. To better understand about it, we will read an article on olidropships.com to understand better about it. So without wasting much more time, let's go and read this article out. Sorry. It's no secret that everyone wants to live in a safe and secure home environment. In the past, sorry, can't see full. In the past, however, not everyone could afford various home security devices to create comfortable circumstances in their home. Although now home security products are accessible and affordable to practical anyone. Nowadays, it is incredibly easy to buy and install all the needed home security items. Every year, new trends pop up. The technology improves, and as a result, home security products becomes more effective. In recent years, the demand for home safety products has increased, and it's no coincidence. It is a result of a growing trend of implementing smart homes where the security systems are an integral part. At the same time, with how easy it is to control and manage gadgets for home security nowadays, you can do it even from a regular smartphone devices. It makes it a very unique product offer that many consumers can easily afford. How is it so affordable? By sourcing products from AliExpress, you can find great items at beneficial prices. Furthermore, not all consumers implement expensive security systems in their households. Some consider installing certain individual pieces such as alarms, cameras, or simple lockers to ensure the protection and security of their possessions. And you can create a dropshipping store offering these products. So let's jump straight into it and find out why you should start a dropshipping business selling home safety uh, products. A general overview of the home security market. Smart home security is not something new. Security and control systems have been among the most popular smart home devices over the last several years. And from what's being projected, it is only going to continue to uh, grow. According to Statista, by 2026, the US smart home security market is expected to reach $8.95 billion in revenue. Analyzing Google Trends, home security is rather popular search query and the demand has been steady over the last several years. Where do most of the search queries come from? What market is the most prosperous? The most amount of search requests comes from the United States. Moreover, according to data analysts, 38% of the US households own a security system. Evidently, many people are considering the purchase of a home security system. Most of them don't even require professional installation. And you can hit the jackpot by convincing the people to buy this product on your online store. Moreover, almost all the mentioned above product can be ordered from AliExpress. However, you must keep in mind that home security products are a pretty technically complex category of products. That means this niche will be great for those who understand and clearly explain the various characteristics of certain products. And of course, as the owner of the store, you must be willing to learn basics of installing and managing these items. If your customers come asking for your help, being an expert in your field of work can only bring your benefits and, what's more important, happy customers. What home security products can you dropship? Surveillance cameras. You don't have to focus strictly on whole system. You can also offer cameras by piece. Surveillance systems. On AliExpress, you can find all kinds of security systems in different price range. Surveillance accessories. You can broaden your product range by offering different accessories for surveillance products such as holders, adapters, and even separate cameras. So that was article about start dropshipping of home security products. So I hope you've understood everything about it. So let's end this video here. We will meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye. See you. Allah Hafiz.